If you live in Louisville, Colorado, and are looking for a trusted roofing company, look no further than Denny's Roofing. Whether it's a full roof replacement or standard roof repair, we are committed to providing top-quality workmanship at competitive prices. We are experienced at building secure, great-looking residential and commercial roofs for homes and businesses in Colorado. We work hard to make it a stress-free process and remove the rough from the roofing replacement process. But what about our 5-star service guarantee? It means one call to a company that can do it all. Whether it's a full roof replacement or standard roof repair, we can install all kinds of roofing materials to meet your needs. That's why we're here. At Denny's Roofing, we're committed to providing high-quality roofs for homes and businesses in Colorado, and we work hard to make it a stress-free process. We specialize in making sure that your roof replacement goes smoothly from start to finish. Your call will be answered by one of our experienced professionals who can provide assistance with all aspects of your project, from design assistance to installation and maintenance. So call us today at 970-808-0247 to schedule a free inspection, receive a free estimate, and/or receive a free roof assessment. Or fill out our contact form online by visiting our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/Louisville-roofing-company. We're here to help.